Hello, LinkedIn land, and welcome to Talk About It Thursdays, where I, Sharika Sanders, will highlight some of the issues that we tend to see in corporate America and provide a tip or two on how to resolve. So, today's topic is process documentation. This is something that is very small, honestly, but it tends to be a really big issue because you often go into these corporate environments, and with all of the different turnover, you find that different processes aren't documented and you find yourself consistently starting from scratch in how to learn. And this can be helpful because you can learn efficient ways to do things, but it's not efficient having to relearn the same processes over and over again. So, whatever instant messaging services your company currently uses, check and see if it has the option to record. If so, you can press record, go through your normal process, and if it records voice, even better, because then you can talk through the process and let the next person who's listening understand why you're doing the different things that you're doing. You can also record over Zoom or any other messaging or meeting device. So let's say you're training with someone, and how we're all remote these days. So you're training with someone, they're wherever they are, you're wherever you are. Record the meeting, record the session, because now you not only have the steps, you can have the screenshots, but you also have the questions that the other party may ask, which will help the next person who's looking at this documentation and may have some of those same questions. So the instant messaging apps help, the different meeting devices help, and then lastly, also record your reconciliation process. Now, this one may be a little bit more specific to the accounting teams, but one of the things or one of the biggest issues that I've seen, even when different processes are recorded, the reconciliation process is not. And that's one that's very important because it's really hard to go behind someone after they've completed a reconciliation and figure out where all of the support was pulled from. So, whether you use an accounting system to do the reconciliations or whether you use an Excel file to do the reconciliations, you can easily, with Excel, just write the notes or the different steps on a tab, just saying, hey, the support came from these places. This is the link where you would go to pull that support. Or if it's within the system, these are the steps within the systems that you need to pull the support. If it's in a third party app or a third party outside link or something outside of your normal accounting system, then provide whatever necessary credentials are needed to log into that system and the link for that system so that someone can then come behind you, pull whatever support that they need, and the reconciliation can be completed timely. So, again, going back, please make sure documenting your processes, including your reconciliations. You can utilize third party apps, you can utilize instant messaging systems, or even meetings like Zoom or Google Meet, whatever it is that your organization uses. So, hopefully, this was able to help someone. Tune in next week where we talk about cross training. All right. Thanks, everyone. Bye.